RackTech does a little bit of everything when it comes to trying to outfit you for the outdoors. So we do bike racks, roof racks, everything all the way up into overlanding and rooftop tents. RackTech started in 1996 as a single store in Vancouver. From then on, we've expanded to just over 40 stores in North America. So we cover your die-hard overlanding guys all the way up to mom and dad just trying to outfit the van for a weekend trip with the kids. You end up getting some people who just want to make their vehicle look cooler. You get some people who just want to maximize the use of their vehicle. When you come into a RackTech, you get an installation done. You don't have to come back to this RackTech if anything ever comes up. You go to any RackTech in the country, they can take care of you for free. Having a showroom like this and being able to actually touch and feel the product that we sell is a big game changer for a lot of people. Nowadays, it's so common that we end up having people just buy some of this stuff online and hope it works. Well, when you come into a RackTech, not only are you able to actually get into some of the product like a rooftop tent, you're actually able to touch it, feel it, and make sure it does work. The reliability factor is number one. When you go out, you want to make sure that the product that you have with you is going to work. That makes the whole experience of going out in the first place worth it. You buy the best possible rack that we sell that fits within your budget, and then it covers you for the next 10, 20 years. We set ourselves apart with the customer service. You know that the person you're going to be talking to actually knows what they're talking about. They actually live and breathe the product that we sell.